Nobody likes thinking about taxes, but there's one great thing about filing them if you're a student. You're almost certainly going to get money out of it. That's because students usually make small amounts of money and have lots of opportunity to deduct from their income. Here's some advice on how to maximize your tax return. In some cases, you get more than $1,000 back if you play your cards right. The first thing you should do is keep every receipt for anything education related so you can claim it as an expense. This includes things as small as the application fees for your student ID and things as big as your laptop. Some items, like laptops, might not always be refundable, but it's best to keep the receipts anyway and find out later. It could mean hundreds of extra dollars back at tax season. Next, you should always file your taxes, even if you worked very little or didn't work at all. That's because the simple act of filing your taxes makes you eligible for GST and HST rebates, as well as the Climate Action Refund. These are cash benefits that are given out throughout the year, essentially like free money in your pocket. And who doesn't want that? As a student, one of the biggest tax credits you get is for the tuition you pay. But if you only make a little bit of money, you might not be able to fully benefit from that deduction. In this case, you can transfer up to $5,000 of tuition credits to a family member. That could amount to roughly $750 back on the federal portion of your tax return, and possibly even more if your province offers even more tax credits for tuition. If you want to see my full list on how to maximize your tax return, check out my article in the Globe and Mail.